All right, guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new gamers rug. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. So go take a look at it. So my nephew does like gaming, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in the media room for him, but I kind of want to show it to you before we do. Quick how to keep the corners down. Comes very well packaged. So this will be, I'll show it to you right now in a second, but this will be the front. This is what the back side looks like a textured design, but the color is really nice on it. Let's go actually set it up and see how it looks. Check it out. Right here in the media room. Looks really cool. We'll probably set up some of the other items like the Switch and other items there, but as you can see, the color is really cool. We'll make any gaming room, kids room look really cool. Quality, really nice. I do want to say, like, right down here is the anti-slip part of the mat, and it'll be very easy to clean as well if anything were to land on it. And it is dark as well, so that will help. But as you can see, very, very cool gamer's rug. All right, and this is what it looked like in his room. Still looks very cool in here as well. So you can see media room, gaming room, or their actual room. Just makes it look really cool. We might even put it over there by the desk. So like, very cool gamer's rug that can be used wherever you like. Just brings it a little bit more of a gamer vibe to it. So if you guys are looking for a new gamer's rug, definitely look into this one. Check it out. I'm gonna leave that link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.